close your eyes gently and allow your body to relax completely. Feel the tension melting away from your muscles as you settle into this moment of peace. Your breathing becomes deeper and more rhythmic, creating space for healing to enter. Let these words wash over you like gentle waves, carrying restorative energy to every cell of your being. My body knows how to heal itself naturally. I welcome healing energy into every cell. My pain is temporary, but my strength is enduring. With each breath, I draw in pure healing light. My cells regenerate with perfect intelligence. I release what no longer serves my well-being. My immune system grows stronger each day. I trust my body's natural healing processes. Healing energy flows through me like a gentle river. I am surrounded by a shield of protective light. Each moment brings me closer to complete wellness. I deserve to feel whole and healthy. My body responds positively to my loving thoughts. I am patient with my healing journey. Restoration happens within me even as I rest. I welcome vitality into my bones and tissues. My breath carries healing to any area of discomfort. I listen to my body's wisdom with compassion. Each cell in my body vibrates with health and harmony. I am grateful for my body's remarkable healing abilities. My energy systems flow freely and without obstruction. I release tension from my muscles and mind. Healing warmth spreads throughout my entire being. I am more than my temporary discomfort. My body realigns to its natural state of balance. I welcome deep, restorative sleep that heals me. My thoughts create biochemical responses that heal me. I breathe in peace and breathe out pain. My nervous system calms and resets itself. I am becoming stronger with each passing day. Healing energies from the earth support my recovery. I visualize my cells bathed in golden healing light. My body responds positively to gentle movement. I allow myself the time and space needed to heal fully. My pain has messages that guide my healing path. I am worthy of complete recovery and radiant health. My blood carries nutrients to every part of my body. I feel my strength returning with each moment. Healing occurs in my sleep, in my rest, in my being. I choose foods that nourish and restore my tissues. skin regenerates and renews itself perfectly. I direct healing attention to areas that need it most. My bones are strong and my joints move with ease. I release the need to understand everything about my healing. My heart beats with steady healing rhythm. I am safe to express my emotions as part of healing. The water I drink cleanses and purifies my systems. I am connected to ancient healing wisdom within me. My body communicates clearly what it needs to heal. I honor the signals my body sends me. Healing happens in its own perfect timing. I breathe deeply into areas that feel constricted. My organs function in perfect harmony. I am gentle with myself during recovery. My spine aligns perfectly, supporting my whole body. I allow myself to receive care from others when needed. My tissues mend themselves with elegant precision. I am grateful for each sign of improvement. My body knows exactly which nutrients it needs. I balance activity and rest for optimal healing. My hands can direct healing energy where it's needed. I breathe out toxins that no longer serve me. Healing happens at levels beyond my conscious awareness. I create space for miracles in my recovery. My DNA carries the blueprint for perfect health. I acknowledge how far I've already come in healing. My body's electrical systems function optimally. I feel a wave of relief washing over me now. My body responds well to gentle touch and movement. I welcome the wisdom that comes through healing. Fresh oxygen revitalizes every cell in my body. I create an inner environment conducive to healing. My body knows how to find its way back to balance. I am reconnecting with my natural state of wellness. Each day I notice subtle improvements in how I feel. I am exactly where I need to be on my healing journey. Healing energy circulates freely through my meridians. I thank my body for its remarkable resilience. I am whole even as I heal specific parts of myself. My healing ripples outward, benefiting all my relationships. I am becoming more attuned to my body's subtle cues. Feel the healing energy circulating throughout your entire body now. Notice the gentle warmth and tingling sensations that signal renewal. As you prepare to return to your day, know that that this healing continues within you. Carry this restored energy with you, allowing it to guide your choices and actions. You are healing, you are renewed, you are whole.